Hello, hi.
Your name, please,
Lokesh.
and which class is your son?
Okay, I have my daughter. Her name is Pari Bhargav. She is in class 4C at Euro School, Thane.
How she is loving Kenken?
I mean, she is loving it. I mean, the very fact that she has chosen this competition over her annual day, which is scheduled for today, it's happening right now in Thane. Says all of it.
Oh my God, that's an honor.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how she practice about Kenken?
So the first thing that she has done is, I mean, she is appearing in all the Olympiads ever since she was in class standard 1. And so this is a new concept. So whenever a new concept comes in the school, she always tries to learn that, either by going over the web first, even before registering for it. So she is kind of a kid who is money conscious even at this point in time. So she understands the value of money, whether, my parents should invest this much and what is the output that I'm going to get. Oh. So what she did is, I mean, she downloaded the app first on the tab. She basically, she tries to complete at least 3 to 4 puzzles on her own, because she's, again, I mean, daily when the Sudoku comes in the newspaper, she's one of those kids who tries to complete it even before going to the school. So that's something that she does every day religiously. So yes, I mean, that's the very fact that she's definitely liking it.
And about the logic part, because the main emphasis was Kenken was language independent. Okay, most of the time what happens are when it is being tested, it's more like a comprehension of a kid which we are testing rather than the knowledge on that particular front. Kenken is actually truly international competition, because it is independent of any language. So whether you are English speaking, Japanese speaking, Hindi speaking, it doesn't matter at all. You can see that the numbers is same across the world. Okay, so that's why this concept was totally based on that. Okay, do you want to say something on that?
No, I mean, what you're saying is right, but ever since she is entered in this particular area of class 1 onwards, I mean, she is appearing in the Olympiad. So apart from the Olympiads, this is another good way of them feeling importance about building logic in themselves. Whatever they do, they try to build logic, and this is not something, I mean, as you were talking to her some time back, this is not something which can be taught over a period of time to them. I mean, this is something that they will have to inbuilt in themselves.
One thing which we want to emphasize, that we are actually trying to bring something where we don't have to tell the kids to do that; they should get drawn towards itself. So just share your experience that your kid. And do you say that you have to prepare for the competition, or for Kenken she is doing it herself?
She is preparing on her own. In fact, we got to know the results only through her, and there were only 2 kids who got selected from her school, and it seems like the other kid has opted to be part of the sports today, and she is the only one who has come from her school. So that's about it.
Do you play Kenken?
No, I try to play Sudoku. I haven't played Kenken.
You haven't even tried it?
No, not me.
We request that you please try that. I'm damn sure you will not go back to Sudoku.
I'll do that.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you.